Katrina, you said that you're 9-year-old in this industry. Now, you know, you have learned media. You know what they're keen to know about you. So why do you think that people or the media is behind you and Ranbir? Why every time they just catch you, or be it paparazzi, be it rumor, but why is it you and Ranbir? What is your answer over it?
Because everyone else is either married or single.
No, it's not that. It's not. It's your personal life. See, you have millions of fans, and they're keen to know about you. That is why, you know, it's our work. We have to run behind you. So we just want to know.
No, honestly, I'll say it now. I don't mind you guys running behind me. I like people running behind me. Run. Just don't expect me to stop.
Katrina,
but
yeah,
run. Keep running.
No, not at all.
I like it.
So we just want to know, you don't think personally that why media is behind me or Ranbir? You don't think like somewhere in the corner of the mind or in your conscious of mind? Anything?
Honestly, not really, because, you know, actors, as you said, as everyone has said, has been told to me by some dear members of the media after that whole incident when some members of the media wrote me back a letter, which was very mean, but never mind, and said that, you know, a celebrity's life is bound open for speculation. So I can understand it. And honestly, for the most part, it's done in good taste. The reason probably why, you know, going back to that, I reacted like that was because that is a very, you know, out of the blue incident. For the most part, you know, the media is very harmless. It's done in good taste. You're watching a movie and there's 2-3 photographers who are there, and you know, they see you, you see them, wave, and you go home. It's no harm in it.
Hi, Katrina. We all love you. It's just one question. So are you single?
When any question starts with "we all love you," but
Katrina, हमने ये सुना है कि आपकी और रणबीर की अगले साल.
Katrina, are you single? So are you single, or we just want to know the relationship status?
I am reverting back to my old quote, which I would like to point out is mine, because I've heard other people say it, but it is originally mine, and I take copyright on that quote. I am single till I get married, and I'm not married. I have no plans for marriage, as I know you were asking over there. There's no plans for marriage yet, so yes, I am single until I get married.